Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
The Audi A6 e-Tron was presented as a concept vehicle at the Shanghai Motor Show and shows how sporty and elegant vehicles from the luxury class segment will be built in the future. The new electrical platform PPE was specially developed for this purpose together with Porsche. In 2023, the A6 e-Tron will be the first electric car from Audi that is based on the new full-size PPE architecture. The concept now presented seems to be visually quite similar to the upcoming production vehicle. Following the example of the Audi e-Tron GT, all Audi electric models in the medium and luxury class based on the PPE platform will also have the option of 800-volt charging technology. Market launch plan for 2023. Sporty, elegant upper-class electric car. 800-volt charging technology. Up to 700 kilometers range. Built on premium platform electric, PPE digital OLED elements. The large wheelbase of 2.95 meters. Audi A6 e-Tron prices. It is currently unclear what the A6 e-Tron will cost. If we had to estimate, then we would say that the A6 e-Tron could be had from a price of 75,000 euros. Series production for the model is scheduled for 2023. Audi A6 e-Tron technical data and exterior design. The A6 e-Tron is not a sedan, more like a four-door coupe like the A5 Sportback. The new A6 e-Tron looks stunning nonetheless, and the best part is that the production version should look pretty much the same. After all, Audi hasn't changed anything when converting the e-Tron GT concept into a road car. Audi has confirmed that the finished car won't get the concept's invisible door handles, but the top model should come with 22-inch wheels like the concept, and be offered with the same rear-view cameras in place of the wing mirrors. Not much will change in the curved silhouette of the car. And the two-tone side skirts and the wide brake light are also retained. They're thinner than any other new Audi, and they're also packed with new technology. The daytime running light consists of 3 rows of customizable LEDs that can show all sorts of patterns and animations. Audi has also installed special projectors around the car that can beam messages onto the road. You connect your smartphone to the car and use it as a controller to play a special Audi spaceship racing game that uses the headlights as giant projectors. Know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this channel. Wait for the next video and don't forget to like, comments and subscribe.